Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hey, I'm Shakay. And as you guys can see from the title, it is going to be me baking, so it's a bake with me. Now I'll be using the better, is this crocker or cooker? It look like a better crocker fudge brownie mix. So we're going to try and bake this. Never done before, so this recipe is going to need a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and an egg. So let's go get that. All right guys, so I got my bowl and I got my mix, and it says it talk about the heating first and the greasing of the pan, and then we're gonna stir brownie mix, oil, water, and egg with a spoon about 50 times. Yeah, and then we spread it out in again. So I'm gonna empty the pack first. Here, here, I mean, that's not the tear. The oven is already being heated by Shaggy. She lie. Then cuts you. So we're going to be using the vegetable oil, and it says 1/4 of that. So we're going to do that. Yeah. Alright, and then it says 2 tablespoons of water. It's 2 tablespoons, so this is 1 and oops, 2. So we're going to place this pan. Yeah, the other one did too big because it says that it, yeah, a little bit tonight. It says that 8 by 8 pan, and this is the only small square thing we have. So we're going to try and use this. Hopefully it don't burn it. Hello, no, move from this. No, I can't remember. Alright guys, so this is what I have. It's kind of dumpy, and I was trying to get out the lumps, but okay. It kind of feel thick, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get the lumps out and see what is what. But yeah, fudge brownies, I'm excited to try these, guys. So excited. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. We have to spread it or something. But yeah, we are trying to get as much. It is very small.
It's turned down.
Very small in amounts. But let's hope it actually comes out to be nice.
Brownie rice, you know? As in we rice.
Better rice, because we earth.
That's not the cookie.
No. Alright guys, so this is it. This is it. Yeah, see, I got you know. Oh, we also have fish frying, but that's not a part of today's video. But oh well. It's supposed to be in for I think 25 minutes.
The oven hot enough?
I should think so. So it is supposed to be in for 26 to 28 minutes. So, or until toothpick inserted. So we're gonna put a timer for 28 minutes and then we will come back. This guys didn't turn out too bad. But the part up here, so it kinda tough. Cause there's a bit kinda shallow. But that's so it turned out.
Fast crazy.